guys, today I'm bringing you another vape juice review. Today I'm doing it on my webcam and probably will for the next few, being as my camera is out of order. Today I'm bringing you the vape juice review of Commodore Peary by Charlie Noble. It's also brought to you today by Vape Runners, where you can get all your vaping needs just by visiting vaperunners.com. For this bottle, you're paying about $6.99, and the bottle size is 15 mils, and you can get anywhere between 0 milligrams of nicotine to 12 milligrams of nicotine. The flavor profile is that of fresh pear drizzled with vanilla with an offset of a nice lush cream to balance it all out. Alright, so with your inhales, you're getting a nice, good, peary flavored, fresh fruit flavor that you'd expect from this juice. It's a nice premium juice that you're going to get. With the exhale, you're also going to get a nice custard-ish type flavor from it, coming from the cream and the vanilla. It's very delightful. I got this juice before I was taste testing it. The 15 mils full. It's taken me about 2 days, and I'm gone through it like nothing because that's how good it is. It's definitely one of my favorites. As a conclusion, I would definitely say go ahead and give it a try. It's something that almost everybody would like, even if you're not into custards, because the custard type flavor is not really strong. It's definitely a subtle hint of it. So definitely hit up vaperunners.com, order your bottle of juice and many others.